Hi, welcome back. Another important project terminology. Term 17 we are going to discuss. This is called estimation. It's quite simple and it's quite popular across industry. Irrespective of IT, it is the same thing uh, will be there all walks of your industrial life. What exactly this estimation? Estimation means the measurement, the calculation for point to point. What exactly this estimation in project, uh, project level? So generally, project managers has a responsibility to estimate resources, like how many resources they needed, what is the cost versus resources, what is the cost versus other infrastructure, what is the cost versus time, okay, what is their budget, and what are all the skill set they have needed. See, your skill set falls under estimation, your resources falls under estimation, your timelines falls under estimation, and your cost also falls under estimation, all put together. Okay, it has different phases within the project. For example, if you are a team lead of a certain sub module like sales and distribution or material management, under that you require two additional resources to support you, okay, to finish some 10 to 15 functional specifications. In that, what is the complexity, and what is the scope, okay, that is also falls under estimation for a team lead. And what is the timeline he needed, how the work will be divided across the teammates, so what you are going to pick up, what is your analysis, okay, what is the cost for this, okay, it's for team lead. In the similar way, the scope will be increased, the work will be increased for project manager to handle all these things. If it goes to the delivery manager, it even more than under delivery manager, certain project managers are working, he has to do the planning of all these things. So not only for your project management, your product development, whatever you take, something like software development, everywhere your estimations will falls into picture. Okay, this word has a more frequency when you have a daily stand-up call, or else weekly stand-up call, or else some project meetings, or else client meeting. This term is quite popular. Okay, certain times it is with teammates also. So what are the different kind of project uh, evaluations we can able to make it? One is time and material. So so this is like how much time it is needed to finish certain task. Okay, so like this is, so like if it is taking more 4 hours, or else 18 hours, or 24 hours, or 48 hours, based on that particular work, it will be calculated. Fixed budget, if it is fixed budget means, so they will give a certain budget. For example, I worked for one project called support project. I don't want to talk about the customer, but they're like they are giving certain fixed budget irrespective of how many incident you are going to resolve in a financial year. So that is fixed budget. Time and material means, like this functional specification, this specific work, you will have this much money. So if the scope is increased, based on the scope, based on the time, and based on the kind of work you are doing, we are giving. This is like something like, for example, so you supposed to implement one new pricing condition. For that, you're supposed to write a requirement in SAP SD. So for that, you have a certain work to you write a functional specification, unit testing, and your quality testing, UAT, and all those things. Everything will be calculated. That is time and material. Fixed budget means for that particular year you are working on support project, whether you resolve 1,000 incidents or only 100 incidents, the budget is fixed actually. Okay, and fixed budget and fixed price, like fixed budget based on like it might varies, right? Currency conversion and all those things, but fixed price means whatever they agreed on the time, that is the thing. Okay, so most popular one is time and material and fixed budget in software industry for estimations. Okay, I think you have learned a little detailed, but estimation is like if you wanted to go to the deeper level, like they have to consider a lot of parameters, okay, for estimations. That is going to learn in your real time once you are on for the job. Okay, I think you understood what is estimation, what is time and material, and what is fixed budget. Certain times in interview also they will ask your project is based on, just for general information, he might ask you like is it a fixed budget or else time and material. So like certain interviews have certain interest to know about, like how you calculated your project estimates and all those stuff. Okay, so if you like this video, please like it. I would like to do few more videos on project terminology, and if you keep in touch with my channel, this is my YouTube channel, currently holding 850 plus videos, and this is my dedicated forum for SD folks and other consultants, also currently holding 6,458 students. And if you look at this, this is the course with 114 hours. And for a sales and distribution, if you are not from SAP SD, or else if you are from SAP SD or MMPP, these are the two must doable courses at my end before getting into the real time. Before starting your footsteps, better do these two courses, so that this is idocs with 5 scenarios, and this is getting master to write functional specification. So it is very, very important. I'm just providing all these links from different courses. If you're really interested, you can explore this. Okay, thank you so much, and wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Thank you all.